Hello students, now we will learn about plastids, different types of plastids. Plastids are some of the cell organelles that are having pigments, coloring pigments, or some of them will be functioning in storage of food material. So we can say plastids are cell organelles with coloring pigments if plastid does not have any coloring pigment, then it will be functioning in storage of food material or storage of food. Plastids are discovered by Haeckel. Plastids are seen in case of all plants and some protista like Euglena. Plastids are of different types like leucoplast and chromoplasts. Leucoplasts are colorless plastids. Means they do not have any pigment. They are seen in plant cells but not exposed to sunlight. So in which areas are these seen? These are seen in case of tuber-like areas or roots. Example, tubers, roots, and also some of stems like underground stems like rhizomes. Next, leucoplasts in this tuber form and rhizome form, they store food material. They function in storage of food. This plastids does not have grana. There are some types of leucoplasts termed with other names like types of leucoplasts are first one amyloplasts. They store carbohydrates. Next, so if you see examples, we can take potato, wheat, etc. Next, second one, aleuroplasts. They store proteins. We can take example like aleuron layer in monocot seed. Next, third one, elaioplast. They store fats. Example, groundnut and castor seeds. Next one, chromoplasts. These are coloring pigments and they are exposed to sunlight. They are colored pigments and are exposed to sunlight. They are seen in case of leaves, petals, etc. Next, in case of petals, they involve in attracting pollinating agents. In case of leaves, for photosynthesis. In case of petals, for attracting pollinating agents. Next, examples of chromoplasts are lycopene, which is red in color, seen in tomato. Next one, capsanthin, green in color, seen in capsicum. Next, carotene, which is orange yellow in color, seen in carrot. In case of some types of algae also, these chromoplasts are present. In algae, that is in case of brown algae, fucoxanthin is brown in color. In case of red algae, right here, brown algae. In case of red algae, the chromoplast is rhodoplast, which has red color pigment phycoerythrin, seen in red algae. Phycoerythrin is the coloring pigment in red algae or red color. Now, the chromoplast in case of red algae is rhodoplast. In case of brown algae, the chromoplast is, we will write here, pheoplast. Chromoplast type is pheoplast. Next, in case of normally leaves, the coloring pigment in chloroplast is green in color, that is chlorophyll. It is responsible for photosynthesis in case of higher plants or all the photosynthetic green color plants. Green color pigment. So these are important points related to plastids.